I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
Happy Halloweeny, Jenny.
Happy Halloween.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm all decked out for Halloween, see?
Oh my gourd. That's pretty beautiful. I like your ears.
I do too. I didn't get to wear them for our last trip.
I'm decked out too. You know what today is?
What was today, Joe?
Doctor Who Day. Doctor Who's back, finally.
And did you like it?
New episode today. Yes, Ashley and I just finished watching it. And it is part one of, I think they're doing 6 episodes. So it's going to be a 6-episode story arc regarding the Flux. I don't know what the heck that is, but destroying the universe, whatever. Doctor's got to save humanity once again. Yeah, it was good so far.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So, Jen, what are we doing this time?
Well, Joe, it's finally arrived.
What has arrived? Doctor Who Day?
No.
This video is all about Doctor Who?
Our Joffrey'S coffee.
Oh, thank God, man. We freaking ran out of coffee.
So I didn't know this, just found it out probably in the last month or two that Joffrey's, you can order and have their coffee delivered.
Yes.
And all their Disney coffee.
Now, let's be honest. It wasn't that long ago, earlier this year, around summertime, that we found out that you could actually buy Joffrey's coffee at Disney Springs because we're so on top of things. But we did buy a couple of bags when we were there over the summer.
We did.
And said, wow, this is really good. And you said, why don't we order it? Because the last couple times we went, we forgot to buy some coffee.
I had no clue. And when I found out, I was so excited. So we ordered 4 bags. Shipping took almost 2 weeks.
Didn't we order 5 bags or
No,
4?
I think we just got 4.
4? Okay, well, we'll find out when we open the box.
It took about 2 weeks from the day I ordered to the day we got them. They actually just arrived today.
Right. So the email that I received said that they roast per order.
Yes.
So it's not like they have a big warehouse full of roasted coffee that they're just going to grab and ship out, which is interesting because you'd think it would be more fresh. Mm-hmm. So if they just roasted this, and they did say when you ordered it, I received the email, 7 to 10 days to roast and then ship. Mm-hmm. So
and it took the full time.
It took the full 10 days to ship. Mm-hmm. They shipped it on Wednesday and it arrived today. So then it was another almost 5 days to actually arrive via FedEx. So anyway, just keep that in mind if you actually do order Joffrey's coffee.
It's not a slow process. It's long, but I know it will be worth the wait.
Make sure that if you're going to order coffee from them, you have enough supply.
We had to run out a couple times.
Tie you over, yeah. I mean, I ran out of coffee yesterday, so I didn't have any this morning except for the lousy coffee at work. But anyway,
all right.
So here is the Joffrey's box.
And we already opened the tape,
so here we go.
We wouldn't have to do it on camera.
Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. Kinda bum. And then kinda there you go.
Oh, look at that.
All right, look at that.
All right, so here's our little packing slip.
Oh, so.
Okay, so I only remember a couple. That's the one I didn't remember.
So these are 16-ounce bags.
And these 4 bags of coffee. Oh, the price isn't on here, is it?
No, but I think they were about.
I think they were about $16 to $18 a bag.
So, but it is a full 1-pound bag.
Yes.
Of coffee. Let's get this thing to focus.
And that one is the Hollywood Brown Derby blend. So, you know what's interesting? I don't smell the coffee. Like, you know, when we've ordered coffee, we usually order coffee from what's the coffee place in New Mexico?
The New Mexico Pinon Coffee Company.
And now I can smell it. As soon as you open the box, you can smell the coffee. So I'm a bit disappointed that.
Well, no, that means that it's actually sealed.
Oh, okay.
So I can smell a little bit in this corner, but if it's sealed properly, you shouldn't smell anything through the bag.
Let me see.
So.
Oh, that smells good.
But okay, so we ended up getting the Hollywood Brown Derby. That's one.
And we'll let you know how these are, too.
The second one is, California Grill.
Yes.
So the Hollywood Brown Derby is a medium roast. The California Grill.
I think that's a dark roast. if I remember correctly.
It is a dark roast.
Okay.
You are correct, dear. All right.
I was just hoping that we would be hit with the smell of coffee. I love that smell. Like when you walk into Starbucks, it's just overpowering.
Well, yeah, but the bags are sealed. What do you want it to? Because then it's gonna, it's gonna be that the coffee's bad. Anyway, okay. So here's Kona Blend. I don't mean the coffee's gonna be bad. I mean it'll. If it's sealed, that means it's going to hold the freshness longer.
I know, but I was hoping that we could sniff them. But that's okay.
See? You can't smell anything.
You
so
can't.
This is a medium roast. So that's the Kona Blend. So we have Hollywood Brown Derby and California Grill and Kona Blend. And the last one...
I'm going to do the last one.
Go ahead.
The last one, we got the 50th celebration. This is limited time. I don't know if they're going to sell it for the next 18 months, if it's going to be available longer.
So this one is just actually 11 ounce. So the rest of these are all 16 ounce bags. So that's a 1 pound.
This is considerably smaller.
This is 11 ounce, yeah. But because it's, the 50th anniversary blend and it's in a fancy package. Again, the blues and the golds, we really, really like that. That's actually
So which one
cool.
do you want to start with?
I don't know. You want to start with this one?
I think I want to start with the 50th anniversary.
Okay.
So we are going back to Disney. So if these are a hit, we will probably buy even more bags to bring home. Because we had the Riviera blend. We bought that one and brought it home.
Yes.
2 bags of that or just 1?
Can't recall.
Well, anyway, so if these are just as good as the Riviera blend, we'll probably buy more in December.
Probably.
Because then we don't have to wait 7 to 10 days to have it shipped.
Right, exactly. So we got 2 medium roast and 2 dark. The 50th is a dark. I know that with, if the Riviera was, we did get a dark roast.
I think Riviera was dark.
It was really strong. So I ended up using less coffee when I was making it. So depending upon what your taste is, if you like stronger coffee, you might go through this a little faster. But I would think, we'll have to see. I mean, I would think a 16 ounce bag, a 1 pound bag, should last us a week and a half to 2 weeks.
Okay.
Because normally for us, a 12 ounce bag will last us a week. So a 16
and
ounce
there's
bag
3 of us that drink coffee 7 days a week.
Well, yeah, we just do a full pot. Yeah, basically. So I'm guessing this is going to last us a week and a half to 2 weeks. This one, depending upon how this is going to go, it's going to be at least a week. But anyway, so we have a good 4 weeks or so, if not 4 to 6 weeks worth of coffee sitting right here.
So I'm really excited to try these.
Yes, me too.
Because we really enjoy Joffrey's in the parks. We've had a couple of their drinks lately and have enjoyed them.
Yeah, outside of the regular coffee that we would get at a restaurant for breakfast. We've had the Shaken Jamaican was one, and what was the other one that we had? There was the other one that we had.
We had the pumpkin spice one at Epcot.
Yes. Yeah. So we've
and
had
then
a couple.
We had that. Was that whiskey? That whiskey drink wasn't coffee, was it? At Joffrey's? No, I don't think that one had coffee in it.
No, they did have. No, you're thinking about what they did. They advertised it was coffee with Jameson and something else in it.
Yes.
I think. But we didn't have that. We ended up getting the Fireball lemonade.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. But we did see the iced coffee with whiskey in it. And there was something else with it. But we got the Fireball with the lemonade, which was really good too. But,
so anyway, we thought we would throw this in. We have just, hopefully you've watched our staycation in Naperville, Illinois. And we are going to be back to the Disney vlogs right after we post this. So I'm thinking later this week we'll be back to Disney.
Well, no, I'm probably going to do at least one Disney video before this one.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Depends. I guess I could put this one up next.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, I'll do this one next time. So, yes, as Jen said, we're going to be, I'll put this video up, and then we got more Disney stuff coming. So after this should be just a little part of the afternoon that we spent back in July at the boardwalk, getting some snacks and treats on the boardwalk.
And then the next one after that should be the 5 things we love most about the beach club.
Yes, the Beach Club Resort. Yeah, I'll work on that one next.
All right.
Okay.
So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we could be drinking Joffrey's coffee.
We will be soon.
Going on a staycation close to our town. We could be going back to Disney.
We'll be doing that again soon too.
We're doing all 3. So.
Looking forward to Disney. That's actually Well, I mean, it's about a
It's
month.
33 days away.
All right.
Or is it 32? 32.
It's about a month.
It's 32.
It seems like more like a month to me.
It's 32 because if you're following us on Instagram and Twitter, I've been doing a daily countdown.
Ah, all right, cool.
So check us out at Jen and John the Go on Twitter and Instagram.
All right.
All right.
Okay, we will talk to you guys later. Have a good, happy Halloween.
Hope you get lots of candy.
Although, by the time they see this, it's after Halloween.
That's
so,
okay.
Anyway. All right. Trick or treat. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.